Welcome to Kroolo. In this video, we're diving into everything you need to know about creating and managing projects like a pro. Let's get started. First, we will create a new project. To create a new project, simply click on Create. There are 3 different ways to create a new project. You can use Kroolo AI, you can use a template, or you can start with a blank template. Let's use Kroolo AI. Just enter your project name, provide a project description, and then click on Generate Project. Kroolo AI will then generate the project. Here you can see a list of all the tasks. You can click on the drop-down to view the subtasks. You can use AI Assistant to make the tasks shorter or longer, or to rewrite them. You can also regenerate the project if you're not satisfied with the results. After reviewing everything, click on Insert Project and Tasks, and your project is created. Here's our project. From here, you can change the status. You can also modify the priority. The start date can be modified by clicking on this calendar icon. You can adjust the end date from here. Here you can see the project progress. For additional options, you can click on 3 dots. Here we have the option to edit the project. You can also invite members, duplicate the project, move it to a different workspace, add it to the portfolio, and archive or delete the project from here. Click on Import Project. To bring in projects from various tools, just connect these tools and select the boards you want to import. Click on the project name to open the project. Here, we can see a list of all tasks. To view a list of subtasks within tasks, click on the drop-down menu. From here, you can change the status, priority, due date, and assignee. You can also add tags from here. For more options, you can click on 3 dots. You can click on the plus icon to add or remove columns. Let's say we don't need tags here. We can disable it by clicking on this toggle. You can also enable any column from here. For more column options, you can click on New Column. To make multiple changes at once, click on the checkbox. Once all the tasks are selected, use the menu at the bottom to make changes. For instance, if the priority for all tasks needs to be set to low, it can be done from here. Now all tasks will display a low priority. You can collapse or expand groups like this. On the left, we have the dashboard view. This gives you a quick overview of the project. Here you'll find various graphs that show important insights for the project. You can download these graphs. For a more detailed analysis, you have the option to view these graphs in full screen. Next to the list view, you will find the board view. Here you'll find all the tasks neatly organized into different groups. You can drag and drop tasks between these groups. You can also change the status, priority, etc. Click on the task name, and you'll see a detailed overview of the task. For a more focused view, you can collapse and expand these groups. Next, let's move to the calendar view. Here you can sync your Google or Outlook calendar, allowing you to schedule tasks with ease. You can click on any date to add a new task, or you can expand the list on the right side to find a list of all the overdue and unscheduled tasks. To schedule these tasks, simply drag and drop them onto the desired date, and they will appear on your calendar. Next to the calendar view, we have the timeline view. Here, the names of the tasks are displayed on the left, with their respective subtasks nested within. To schedule a task, you can click on any date and drag it across columns. You can also reschedule existing tasks by moving them onto a different date. The duration of tasks can be adjusted by increasing or decreasing the number of days. On the right, you'll find a list of tasks that are yet to be scheduled. Next, we have the workload view. Here, you'll see a list of all the assignees and their work capacity. You can adjust the work capacity for each member. Simply click on the pencil icon and input the number of hours each team member can work each week. You can then apply these changes to all team members and save changes. The progress bar at the bottom displays the work capacity for each member. These boxes show the work capacity for each day. Clicking on a box will show you a list of tasks assigned to that team member for a particular day. If a team member is over capacity, the box will turn red. In such cases, you can click on the box to view the tasks and the total workload for the day. Here we can see the team member has 3 tasks and a total workload of 10 hours in a day, but they can only work for 8 hours daily. So we need to delegate some tasks to other team members. To do this, click on the assignee and assign the task to more members. Once you've done this, the box will turn green. When a box is orange, it indicates that a team member is at full capacity. On the right side, you'll find a list of all unscheduled tasks that have not been estimated or assigned yet. Next, we have the Documents view. Here, you have the option to create new documents or add existing ones. Simply click on Add Doc. You can search for a specific document or select one from the list, then click on Add. The document is successfully attached. Next, we have the Chat feature. Here, you can collaborate with team members and share updates. You can mention people, channels, documents, projects, tasks, and teams. You can also add emojis, GIFs, and even voice recordings to your messages. Simply type your message and hit Send. Let's move on to the Embed section. Here, you can embed files from Google Sheet, Google Slide, Google Doc, and Figma. Next to that, we have the Files section where you can upload any project-related files. To upload, simply click on Upload File, select the file, and hit Open. As you can see, we've uploaded a file. In the Risks section, you can add risks by clicking on Add Risk. Type the risk name and a description, and you can also add your mitigation plan here. You also have the option to sync your project with GitHub or GitLab. Simply click on Connect next to either option to automate pull requests. To create sprints, simply click on Create Sprint and enter your sprint name, duration, and other details. You can chat with your project using Kroolo AI. Here you'll see some smart suggestions. At the bottom, you can select your preferred AI model. Type your questions and hit Send. Kroolo AI will analyze the project and provide you with a response. Let's close this pop-up. In the Automation section, you can add various automations. For instance, if we want to change the assignee when the status changes, we will select this automation from here. Let's change the status from To Do to In Progress, and let's select the assignee. Select an assignee from the list and hit Save. Our automation is now created. From here, you can enable or disable the automations. You can also create custom automations. Simply click on Custom. Add the conditions here and hit Save. Sharing the project with team members is also very easy. Simply click on Share and enter their email address or name. And that's how you can create and manage projects in Kroolo. Streamline your project management with Kroolo, your smart productivity powerhouse.